So please help me to welcome Dr. Venter to the stage.
So I came up with the idea of just randomly picking them. It immediately caused a lot of controversy because I was publishing papers initially with several hundred genes and then with several thousand human genes. Professors from Harvard and MIT and other major institutions would call the NIH director and try and get my research stopped because it was unfair that I didn't have to work hard to make these discoveries.
You didn't have to work.
You have to believe in your ideas or other people won't.
Yeah.
It also helps to be right.
One more question? Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoyable conversation.
Pleasure.